Hey guys, welcome to our channel. Today, we are going to share with you a complete guide to adopting a healthy lifestyle. There will be 10 essential topics that will transform your physical, mental, and emotional health. So, grab a notepad and let's get started. First, balanced diet. Benefits of having a balanced diet routine. Maintaining a balanced diet as part of your daily routine brings a series of advantages that positively impact your health and general well-being. Below are the main benefits and advantages of these balanced meals. First, adequate supply of nutrients. Advantage: consumption of all essential nutrients. Benefit: ensure that the body receives the correct amount of macronutrients, carbohydrates, proteins, and fats, and micronutrients, vitamins, and minerals, necessary for the optimal functioning of all body systems. Body weight maintenance. Advantage: healthy weight control. Benefit: prevent excessive weight gain and obesity by choosing nutritious foods and controlling portions. A healthy weight reduces the risk of several chronic diseases. Adopting a balanced diet brings significant benefits that go beyond physical health, positively influencing mental and emotional health and quality of life in general. The advantages of these balanced meals include adequate nutrients, weight control, sustainable energy, strengthening the immune system, improving digestive health, reducing the risk of chronic diseases, promoting bone and muscle health, increasing longevity and a healthier appearance. Incorporating these eating habits into your daily routine provides a more balanced and satisfying life. Second, adequate hydration. Benefits of adequate hydration during the day. Staying well hydrated throughout the day is crucial for the health and proper functioning of the body. Below are the main benefits of adequate hydration. Maintaining body fluid balance. Explanation: our body is made up of around 60% water. This water is essential for the balance of body fluids, which perform vital functions such as digestion, absorption of nutrients, blood circulation, and regulation of body temperature. Drinking water regularly ensures that these processes work properly. Increased energy and physical performance. Explanation: during physical activity, we lose fluids through sweat. Staying hydrated helps prevent fatigue and improves physical performance. Dehydration can cause cramps, dizziness, and a drop in athletic performance. Therefore, drinking water before, during, and after exercise is essential. Staying hydrated throughout the day is essential for a series of essential biological functions. Water plays a vital role in maintaining fluid balance, brain function, physical performance, skin health, digestion, detoxification, and more. Incorporating the habit of drinking water regularly can bring significant benefits to your overall health and well-being. Third, regular exercise. Benefits of exercising regularly. Exercising regularly brings numerous benefits to physical, mental, and emotional health. Below are the main benefits of incorporating a physical exercise routine into your life. Improved cardiovascular health. Benefit: strengthening the heart and improving blood circulation. Explanation: aerobic exercise, such as walking, running, and cycling, helps strengthen the heart, improve the efficiency of the cardiovascular system, and reduce the risk of heart disease, high blood pressure, and stroke. Improved brain function. Benefit: adequate sleep is essential for cognition, concentration, productivity, and overall performance. Explanation: during sleep, the brain processes information, consolidates memories, and recovers from daily wear and tear. Good sleep improves learning, decision-making, and problem-solving abilities. Incorporating physical exercise into your daily routine brings a wide range of benefits to physical and mental health, from improving cardiovascular function to promoting balanced mental health. Regular physical activity is one of the best things you can do for your body and mind. In addition to increasing longevity, regular exercise contributes to a better quality of life, providing more energy, better mood, and a stronger, healthier body. Fourth, quality sleep. Benefits of quality sleep. Getting quality sleep is crucial for physical, mental, and emotional health. Sleeping well is not just a matter of quantity, but of quality. Here are the main benefits of quality sleep: improved brain function. Benefit: adequate sleep is essential for cognition, concentration, productivity, and overall performance. Improved brain function. Benefit: adequate sleep is essential for cognition, concentration, productivity, and overall performance. Explanation: during sleep, the brain processes information, consolidates memories, and recovers from daily wear and tear. Good sleep improves learning, decision-making, and problem-solving abilities. Mood regulation and mental health. Benefit: sleeping well helps regulate mood and reduce stress and anxiety levels. Explanation: lack of sleep is associated with mood disorders, including depression and anxiety. Restful. Getting quality sleep is essential for the proper functioning of the body and mind. It improves brain function, regulates mood, strengthens the immune system, enhances physical performance, regulates metabolism, reduces the risk of chronic diseases, improves cardiovascular and hormonal health, contributes to a healthy physical appearance, and may increase longevity. Incorporating healthy sleep habits into your daily routine. Fifth, mental and emotional. Mental and emotional health benefits in your routine. Taking care of your mental and emotional health is as important as taking care of your physical health. Incorporating habits that promote mental and emotional well-being into your routine can bring numerous benefits, including improved quality of life, greater resilience, and a more positive outlook. Here are some of the key benefits of prioritizing mental and emotional health. Stress reduction. Benefit: decreased stress and anxiety levels. Explanation: practices such as meditation, mindfulness, and breathing exercises help calm the mind, reduce the production of stress hormones such as cortisol, and promote a feeling of calm and relaxation. Improved mood. Benefit: increased feeling of well-being and happiness. Explanation: activities that promote emotional well-being, such as hobbies, physical exercise, and social interaction, release endorphins and serotonin, neurotransmitters that improve mood and reduce symptoms of depression. Prioritizing mental and emotional health in your routine brings countless benefits, ranging from reducing stress and anxiety to improving the quality of sleep, mood, and interpersonal relationships. Incorporating mental well-being practices such as meditation, physical exercise, self-care, and seeking professional support can significantly transform your quality of life. Taking care of your mind is fundamental to achieving a healthy balance and a full, satisfying life. Sixth, meditation and mindfulness. Meditation and mindfulness are practices that have gained increasing attention for their numerous benefits for mental, emotional, and physical health. Incorporating these practices into your daily routine can bring about a significant transformation in your quality of stress reduction. Significant reduction in stress levels. Meditation and mindfulness help reduce the production of stress hormones, such as cortisol, promoting a feeling of calm and relaxation. Increased concentration and focus. Improved ability to concentrate and pay attention. Regular meditation and mindfulness practice improves the ability to focus on a specific task and maintain attention, even in challenging situations. Meditation and mindfulness are powerful practices that offer a wide range of benefits for mental, emotional, and physical health. From reducing stress and anxiety to improving concentration, sleep health, and interpersonal relationships, these practices can significantly transform quality of life. Incorporating meditation and mindfulness into your daily routine is an effective way. Seventh, planning and organization. Advantages of having planning and organization in your routine. Maintaining good planning and organization in your daily routine brings countless benefits to different aspects of life. Below are the main advantages of planning and organizing: increased productivity, better use of time, and greater efficiency in tasks. When you plan your activities, you can prioritize the most important tasks and eliminate distractions, resulting in greater productivity. Organization helps you stay focused on what really matters. Stress reduction, less feeling of overload and anxiety. Having a clear plan for the day or week reduces uncertainty and the feeling of being overwhelmed. Knowing exactly what needs to be done and when provides a feeling of control and peace of mind. Implementing planning and organization into your routine brings countless benefits, ranging from increased productivity to improved mental health. Well-done planning and an organized routine allow for more efficient use of time and resources, reduce stress, and increase motivation and personal satisfaction. Adopting these practices can significantly transform the quality of life, promoting a healthy balance between the different areas of life. 8th, gratitude practices. Gratitude practices. Practicing gratitude regularly can have a profound impact on mental and emotional well-being. Incorporating gratitude into your daily routine can improve quality of life, increase emotional resilience, and promote a more positive outlook. Here are some effective gratitude diary. Write daily about the things you are grateful for. Take a few minutes every night to write down 3 things you feel grateful for that day. They can be events, people, experiences, or simple moments. Gratitude meditation. Meditate, focusing on feelings of gratitude. Find a quiet place, close your eyes, and breathe deeply. Think of something or someone that makes you feel great. Incorporar particas de gratitud na sua rotina diaria pode trazer in miras beneficios para a saúde mental e emotional. Essas particas ajudam a focar no positivo, fortalecer relacionamentos, aumentar a resiliência e promover um estado de bem-estar geral. Seja através de rios, medito, cartas os simples reflexes, muitas maneiras de cultivar a gratidão e aproveitar seus benefícios transformadores. 9th, hobbies and leisure. Benefits of incorporating hobbies and leisure into your routine. Adding hobbies and leisure activities to your daily routine can bring numerous benefits to your mental, emotional, and physical health. These activities not only provide pleasure and fun, but can also improve quality of life in many ways. Here are some of the main benefits of including hobbies and leisure activities. Stress reduction, relief from stress and tension. Engaging in hobbies and leisure activities can serve as an escape valve from daily stress, allowing you to relax and disconnect from worries. Increased happiness and satisfaction, greater feeling of joy and satisfaction with life. Activities you enjoy can release endorphins, known as happy hormones, increasing overall well-being. Incorporating hobbies and leisure activities into your daily routine brings a series of benefits that can significantly improve your quality of life. From reducing stress and increasing happiness to developing new skills and strengthening interpersonal relationships, hobbies provide a healthy and enriching outlet. Adopting these practices is an effective way to promote general well-being, balancing responsibilities, and providing moments of pleasure. 10th, importance of medical checkup. Importance of medical checkup. Having regular medical checkups is essential for maintaining health and well-being. They allow for the early detection of health problems, the prevention of disease, and the promotion of a healthier lifestyle. Here are the main benefits and importance of undergoing medical checkups. Early detection of diseases, identification of medical conditions in early stages. Regular checkups can detect health problems before they become serious. Diseases such as hypertension, diabetes, disease prevention, implementation of preventive measures. Doctors can advise on lifestyle changes, vaccinations, and other preventative interventions based. Having regular medical checkups is essential for maintaining health and well-being throughout life. They enable early detection and prevention of disease, monitoring of chronic conditions, and promotion of a healthy lifestyle. Incorporating checkups into your health routine provides a comprehensive overview of your health status, reduces anxiety, and can result in long-term savings. Maintaining a healthy lifestyle is an ongoing journey that requires dedication and consistency, but the benefits are incomparable. Adopting healthy habits, such as a balanced diet, adequate hydration, quality sleep, regular exercise, gratitude practices, and maintaining a balance between work and leisure, is essential to achieving a full and satisfying life. Thank you very much for watching our video, Complete Guide to a Healthy Lifestyle. We hope you found valuable and inspiring information to implement into your daily routine. Remember, every step towards a healthier lifestyle is an investment in your future. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, leave a like, and share this video with friends and family who can also benefit from these tips.